Welcome to this in-depth presentation by GOALisB Admissions Consultants. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the specialized Masters in Finance programs offered by SKEMA Business School. As an institution with a strong reputation in finance education, SKEMA offers a variety of programs tailored to diverse interests. Let's explore what makes these programs exceptional. SKEMA Business School offers a comprehensive range of specialized masters in finance, each designed to help you succeed in different areas of finance. At GOALisB, we've guided numerous students to these programs, which range from auditing and corporate finance to financial markets and sustainable finance. The programs you can choose from include MSc Auditing, Management Accounting, and Information Systems. This program is ideal for those looking to excel in auditing and financial management. MSc Corporate Financial Management. Perfect for developing strategic financial decision-making skills. MSc Financial Markets and Investments. Tailored for careers in asset management and investment banking. MSc Sustainable Finance and Fintech. A cutting-edge program that merges sustainability with fintech trends. GOALisB can help you identify which program aligns with your career goals. At GOALisB, we recognize the importance of flexibility in education. SKEMA's Masters in Finance programs offer just that, with a duration of 12 to 16 months, courses conducted entirely in English, multiple campus options across Paris, Sofia Antipolis, Brazil, and China, intakes in September and January. We can guide you on the best time to start your journey. One of the standout programs, the MSc Financial Markets and Investments, was ranked 4th worldwide by the Financial Times in 2023. It offers unparalleled exposure with 3 locations and 5 specialized tracks, including trading, portfolio, management, and CFA registered trademark preparation. As GOALisB consultants, we've seen how this program opens doors to high-caliber finance careers. The MSc Corporate Financial Management provides unique insights into global finance. You can study in Belo Horizonte, Brazil for Latin American markets, Paris, France for European financial exposure, Suzhou, China for Asian finance insights, Sofia Antipolis, France for a tech-driven finance experience. GOALisB can help you choose the location that matches your career objectives. SKEMA's programs offer a blend of academic rigor and practical experience, which GOALisB values in every program we recommend. You'll benefit from faculty with extensive industry experience, hands-on training using Bloomberg terminals and simulation games, international study trips for a global perspective, access to SKEMA's strong industry connections, setting you up for internships and networking opportunities. The curriculum is designed to provide a solid foundation in finance with core courses covering finance, economics, and quantitative methods, electives to personalize your learning journey, specialized courses based on your chosen track, professional development workshops. At GOALisB, we ensure you're prepared for this intensive and rewarding experience. SKEMA offers fantastic international opportunities, which GOALisB highly recommends for career advancement. Study across multiple campuses worldwide. Engage with a diverse student cohort. Secure internships globally to build international work experience. We at GOALisB have seen how this global exposure gives our students a competitive edge. SKEMA is dedicated to ensuring your career success through experiential learning with internships and real-world projects, tailored career services for personalized guidance, access to a global corporate network, an industry-relevant curriculum designed to meet today's job market. GOALisB can help you leverage these resources to maximize your career potential. Admission requirements include a bachelor's degree 3 or 4 years, English proficiency through TOEFL, TOEIC, or IELTS. GMAT GRE is recommended but not mandatory. Varying professional experience requirements. GOALisB Admissions. Consultants will help you navigate these requirements for a seamless application process. The application process involves completing an online application, submitting academic transcripts and a motivation letter, providing 2 references, potentially undergoing a pre-selection test and interview. With GOALisB's guidance, you'll be well prepared for each step, increasing your chances of success. The tuition fees for these programs range from 18,000 to 25,000 euros, with an application fee of 100 euros. At GOALisB, we assist you in exploring scholarship opportunities to make your dream education more affordable. SKEMA holds prestigious triple accreditation from EQUIS, AACSB, and AMBA, ensuring top quality education. It's also affiliated with the CFA Institute and recognized by the French Ministry of Higher Education. GOALisB emphasizes such accreditations when guiding you to the best programs. If you're wondering whether SKEMA's Masters in Finance is the right fit for you, GOALisB Admission Consultants are here to help. Reach out to us for personalized guidance on your application journey. Together, we can make your aspirations a reality.